Let's start from right here and just try your best to repeat after me, okay, Ahmed?
Okay, okay.
And keep in mind also that here we have an S, right? Because when you said this sentence, you didn't pronounce the S here. So listen carefully. She throws flowers around her.
She throws flowers around her.
Throws,
Flowers.
froze, throats,
Throws. Throats.
rose.
Rose.
Do you know this one? Rose.
Rose.
Rose is like a flower, right, Ahmed?
Okay.
Throws.
Throws.
Better. She throws flowers around her.
She throws flowers around her.
The Mona Lisa is a famous painting.
The Mona Lisa is a famous painting.
Painting
Painting
by Leonardo da Vinci.
by Leonardo da Vinci.
The woman stands up.
The woman stands up.
The woman stands up.
Okay, okay. The woman stands up.
She hits the painting.
She hits the painting.
Luckily, glass is in front of the painting.
Luckily, glass is in front of the painting.
Is in front of the painting.
Is in front of the painting.
The woman hits the glass.
The woman hits the glass.
Then she throws cake at it.
Then she throws cake at it.
You said shoots. However, this is shouts.
Shouts. What's the meaning of shouts?
Like when you're yelling at someone with a loud voice.
Okay.
Shout and yell are synonyms. And
Okay.
here you say 1950s.
1950 years.
No, 1950s.
1950s.
Nice job, bro. Excellent, Ahmed.
Thank you for this learning.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?